Wrong way. It's wrong way. Turn it. Dude, what are you doing? You hit the shore, you're done. Remember what I told you? Now you're being a bad kid, okay? And I don't like you. I'm going to spank you when we get done. Okay, now straighten it out. Don't reverse it. Do I have to hit you? Nice job, Captain. Open her up. Remember, you turn the opposite way that you want to go. No. Straighten it out. Straighten it out. You're going too much of this. There you... Okay.
Why have it going full speed and slow?
It's gentle turns. Don't do rapid turns. Just nice and easy turns. I don't want to hit the shore. What are you doing there, honky tonk? Alex, we're going to crash.
Oh my god, what do I do? Swing.
I'm going to tell you this one more time. Turn the opposite way you want to go. It's like talking to your mother. So how's life been treating you? Don't run me into the geese.
What? The geese are over.
I'm getting seasick here.
I'm gonna go slower. So I was on full speed.
You getting sunburned?
No.
How's life been treating you?
Crap.
Why?
I have cancer now.
What are you going to do about it, though?
Gonna kick its butt.
Hell yeah.
You can do videos this long?
How's the fishing been today?
Bad.
Yeah. Too damn hot.
Can I say that?
What? Try it once.
Too damn hot.
Don't cuss! What are you thinking? Telling your mother. Where are you taking me? You're taking me towards the damn geese.
Okay.
Signing out.